What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna make a video about me with this little guy. Yes, he's outside the cage, the others are inside. I keep the cage open in case they wanna come out, flap around, fly. This little one's just eating outside. Today my voice might not be the same because I'm sick. I got sick like 2 days ago. So until I get better, you guys are probably gonna hear me like sounding kind of weird because I'm sick. And right now, you guys might be hearing something in the background because my little sister's watching videos, and I have the TV turned on Netflix. Bro. I have this little guy right here. Look. So right now you can touch him, like that's one thing I noticed. You can touch him. He won't bite or anything like that. This one's just a baby. He's not grown up like that one, the green one in the background. And then these two are already old. Not old, I mean like older than he is because he's a baby. They're older than him. And that's how big the cage is. It's mostly just a pretty big cage. They fly in there, but they get uncomfortable, so I open up the gate. This little one likes being outside. Oh, bro. I'm so tired. I wanted to make this video just so you can see that these little, like my birds like to go outside the cage and all that. Those two, the white one and the blue one, they stay inside. The green one and this one, they come outside whenever they want to get out, Like I said, I'm feeling sick. Bro. I want to check if they have eggs. Right now they don't, so you might not be seeing it. Here they are. There you go. And the other one I think is like, no. Oh, she was right there. She was on top of the house right now. She's right there now. That's this little guy. How you doing, buddy? You still eating? You okay? This little bird, you can just touch him whenever he's eating. I simply just grab him to go in, but right now he's just went in by himself. Like, because I was testing it out. He came out by himself, and he'll go in by himself right now. I think after he's done eating. If not, he'll just play around outside. The other ones are eating because they're hungry. Yes, they eat a lot.
Oh, it's so cute.
And then this one, he just eats all day, don't you, buddy? Don't you? Hello. Hi. He's just eating right now.
Yes, mommy.
He's so hungry. I give him bird seeds every day. That's what these little birds eat. And they also drink water. Right now there might be a lot of sound because my mom's moving the dishes and then the TV's playing in the background like I said earlier. And then my mom and my little sister are talking. So, yeah, you can touch him.
Okay.
Touch him. Don't scare him though. Because if not, he'll go back in. Like I said, look, he goes back in by himself too. I'm pretty sure this is it for this video. I'll I'm gonna make more videos, so bye.